Okay, so we're here boarding the ferry. So we had a smooth drive down from North Wales on using Polar and electricity charge points. All went smooth as usual, 320 miles from North Wales. Now we're boarding the ferry, which was going to be to Spain, but due to bad weather, the ferry to Spain's been cancelled. So this ferry is actually going to Brittany in the sort of St. Malo, North France. So we're now actually going to be having to drive all the way down through France as well as Spain. But luckily, compared to Spain, France is a charging metropolis in comparison, or at least it seems that way. So yeah, lots of charging options in France. There's a much higher rate of EV adoption than in Spain. So yeah, it shouldn't be a problem at all. But will probably take us a day or two to do. This is when you get told to turn your engine off and make sure you leave it in gear, both of which we can't not do. I'm going to turn my engine off. There we go. Right, how's the packing going back there, Amy?
Yeah, I got an excellent packed dinner and yeah, ready for a night on the ferry.
Alright, let's go. Alright, we're on the ferry. A safe journey van. We've got to go upstairs to our cabin. Alright, so now how do we get out of here? And how the hell are we going to find the van again? Let's hope we do. Right, have a safe crossing.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Here we are.
Over there.
One bed there.
Picasso-esque art.
Ooh, one bed. Up here. Ta-da! Oh yeah. Ferry FM. We're in France, driving on the right in e-NV200 campervan. Road tripping to the south of Spain. Here we come. It's going to take a few days. Right, Chatham room. Okay, great, didn't even need a card. It just started, this one. Nice free charge, perfect. Yeah, time for a coffee. So activated this charger using a charger map pass. This is a really great pass. It's pretty much the only thing you need for France. Beautiful, works across all different charging networks. We need this in the UK. We are charging here on a corridor Soditral network. Really great chargers. Again, activated using a charge map pass. Making good progress down through France. These Soditral rapid chargers have CCS, CHAdeMO, and AC around there, but they've also got around the back here a backup socket. That's really good to know in case of the other ones fail. I've made it down here to south of Bordeaux, currently on 700 miles travelled since North Wales. We left home charging tonight on this Type 2 22 kilowatt charge point. That's part of a little village here just outside of Bordeaux. which we activated again using a charge map pass, and it's free to use overnight, which is fantastic. Let's see what we've got. Alright, oh, that smells good in here.
Good driving.
Bordeaux. So we've left North Wales, travelled down to Portsmouth, and then to St Malo, and then today all the way down south of Bordeaux. Still got a way to go. We're going down here to the south of Spain. It's getting pretty warm in here. We've got the climate control set to like 20 degrees, so I think it's time I take off my driving socks. I just don't like getting cold feet when I'm driving, and you know, and sometimes, you know, we have the heating on the whole time, but you know, we don't have it on like 21 degrees while we're driving.
Oh, it's
so
double. You've revealed leggings as well.
Double socks and leggings
under the trousers.
Under the trousers, and I can get back and take off these bad boys. I call them my EV driving socks. This is the key to good range performance. You just constantly warm feet. It's lovely. I hate having cold feet. I can take off some more layers as well. Get my thermals on. There we go. Fully charged t-shirt.
Yeah.
Just using the baguette vending machine to get my baguette on the go. I'm in a rush, so I'm just gonna dash in and just grab my baguette. Okay, it's grinding the flour, kneading the dough, all in 62 seconds. So
I think there's a little person with the apron. Interrupted his break.
little French man in there. Oh, 10 seconds to go.
Oh, Glenn! Catch it! Is it well cooked?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's lovely and warm. Right, baguette and go. Go for that. Yeah. So we're just cruising along through France. Got my supplies from a baguette vending machine. Hot cooked baguette on demand. Only in France.
Glenn's very excited and very definitely €1 worth of fun.
Yeah,
more than €1 worth of fun from that.
€1 for warmed, heated, cooked baguette on demand. Fantastic. So we're probably about 40 minutes away from San Sebastian, entering Spain. So yeah, nearly finished our French driving. This is the last charging stop in France. We're about 40 kilometers from the Spanish-French border. So next stop after this will be San Sebastian. So it's been a really smooth drive down through France yesterday and about an hour or two this morning. Pretty much used these rapid chargers, as you can see behind me here, activated with the charge map pass. All of them worked great. They're really nice units. It's been relatively flat going down through France, but now we're going to really hit the mountains. So after San Sebastian and rising up towards Burgos, we're looking at like 1,500 meters of height gain, which will be certainly be interesting. We'll have to stop and charge obviously a lot more. But I think the charges are pretty good on that side, outside of Spain. It's really after Madrid in the south of Spain is where things might get a little bit more spread out. We'll have to do some slower charging options, but yeah, all going well so far. Okay, just doing a little test here, just on the French-Spanish border, and there is a motorhome service unit, and I've often often wondered whether it'd be possible to charge from one of these. So you get 20 minutes for free every time. Just push the button, it'll keep going for 20 minutes. It's only 16 amps, but so yeah, it's now charging the van. See the lights flashing there. I'm using an OpenEVSE so I can adjust the charge rate. So yeah, good to know it's working. And this also makes all our plugs and everything go live in the back. So the induction hob is now live, and all these plug switches will be live. So yeah, good to know that it is possible if you did get really stuck to use a motorhome service area. So just crossed the border, we're now in San Sebastian in Spain, and we are now about to arrive at the first rapid charger in Spain. We need to get a really good charge on this charger, since the next bit of the journey has got some really big height gain. Okay, we're here at the Ibel charging station, the first stop in Spain, in San Sebastian. So this is activated using an app, so let's see if this works. The first time I've done this.